Morning, dear students. Now we are going to discuss our second chapter, Elementary Concept of Object and Class. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about object and class. We already studied this object and class in your first chapter. But some students having some confusion about this, so I will explain it one more time. Your chapter 2, elementary concept of object and class.
Hello students.
First
Let us
thing
learn
is
about
basic concept of
concepts
object
objects
and class. What is an object? We know object is a fundamental unit of object-oriented programming and it represents the real-life entities. A big problem is divided into so many small tasks for making easiness. It is known as an object. The objects are divided into two, real world object and software object. Real world object and software object. First one is real world object.
About
A
objects.
specific item
If
can
you look
be
around and
defined
observe
as a
your
real world
surroundings,
object.
you will find
If you
many
look around
examples
the
of real world
world,
objects.
you will find
Example,
many
a pen,
objects.
book,
Example,
chair,
a pen,
table,
a book,
car,
a chair,
mobile
table,
phone,
car,
bicycle,
mobile phone,
dog,
cycle,
your friend,
dog,
or even
and
yourself.
your phones, etc.
In the real
They
world, all of
are
us interact
objects.
with objects
In the
throughout
real
our
world,
lives.
all of us interact with objects.
Anything concrete,
Anything
visible, or in the abstract form. Example,
like
your
your email ID
and
bank account, etc.,
which we can see, experience or feel is an object.
All
First,
the
we
objects
have to
consist of
understand
two
two
things,
important
that state
aspects
and
about
behavior.
every
That means
object,
characteristics
that is,
and behavior.
state
All
and
the objects
behavior.
having its characteristics and behaviors are
Definition.
there.
An object
So the definition of an object is an object is an entity that has state, behavior and a unique identity. State means characteristics here.
All the
That state means all the characteristics or attributes that characterize any object.
Define the
state of the object. That means characteristics
If
of
we
an
take
object.
an example
For
of
example,
a dog, then its
here a
state
dog.
is defined by
Then its
attributes
state or
like
characteristics is
pedigree,
defined
name,
like
color, age.
pedigree, name, color,
On
age,
the other
etc.
hand,
Then
if we
another
take
example, a
of
car.
the
Its
attributes
characteristics
that
or
define
attributes
its state
are
its
that
brand name,
Skoda,
model
Auto,
name,
and
color,
then Skoda
size,
Super
power,
likewise. And its
engine,
color, then
etc.
model are the characteristics of a car.
behavior.
And the
All the
behavior
different
means the different
or
functions or capabilities of an object can be defined
or
as behavior.
understood by
Different
its
functions or
behavior.
capabilities of an object can be defined
Let
as
us
behavior.
know more.
Here the example,
A
dog.
dog's behavior is
Its
understood
behaviors
by
are
its barking, feeling hungry,
feeling hungry,
running, or
running.
fetching an object.
Then another example, car. Its
Likewise,
behaviors
the
are
behavior
its
of a
speed,
car
applying
is
brakes,
revealed by
gears,
its speed, changing
changing
of
the gears,
gears,
etc.
applying of brakes, drifting,
I hope you
etc.
understood. Anyway, we already studied this in the
Okay.
first chapter in your
Let
notebook.
us
You
take
just
a
check it in the notebook.
discussion on
Anyway, what is the difference
differentiate
between
between
state and behavior or
behavior.
characteristics and behavior?
Let us understand
discuss
the
it with
concept
some
of
or
state
examples.
and behavior with more examples.
There are two examples,
A pen,
and
a
a smartphone.
are objects.
We know these two
but
things are
they
entirely different.
completely
So it's having
in their
different
state
characteristics and different behaviors are there.
A pen
A pen is used to write. Its behavior is
whereas
used to write.
smartphone has
And a smartphone has the capability like play music,
call,
that calling,
browse,
messaging,
internet,
browsing,
watch
etc.
movies. Click
These
a
are the behavior
photograph,
of the
send an SMS,
smartphone.
etc.
And then its characteristics are a pen's characteristics
Thus,
is its model
objects
and
can
its
be
color,
ways.
etc.
Click a
And then its
photograph,
the
send an
smartphone
SMS,
characteristics, its
etc.
model, its color, etc.
Thus,
See,
objects can be
here is
similarly
another
if we
example.
compare two
Some objects,
identical
Miss and
cars
Sunny, it's
of
a
the
car, you
same
know. That's an object,
manufacturer,
its characteristics and
model,
behavior.
color,
That
or
characteristics are
power, even
manufacturer,
they
model,
also
color,
differ
power,
from one
engine size,
another by
etc.
their
Its behaviors are
registration
speed,
number.
changing gears, applying brakes, etc. These
Similarly,
are the
if we
examples
compare
of
two
real world object.
identical cars
Real
of the
world
same
object containing
manufacturer,
characteristics and
model,
behavior.
color, or
All the
power,
things in a
even
real
they
life
also
is
differ
an
from
object
one
that
another
having
by their
characteristics and behavior.
registration number.
वाले हैं
Next one
सॉफ्टवेयर
is a
ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में।
software object.
पिछला वीडियो जो हमने अपलोड किया है
It may be
उसमें
defined
आप
as an
देख सकते हैं
object
कि
that
हमने
is created
ऑब्जेक्ट के
while
बारे में बात
writing
किया है और
a
साथ ही
Java
साथ
program.
रियल वर्ल्ड
In
ऑब्जेक्ट क्या होता
software
है इसको भी हमने
object,
डिस्कस
the
किया है।
characteristics are
अगर
known
आपने
as
वीडियो नहीं देखा है
data
तो मैं
members
उसका लिंक
and behaviors are
डिस्क्रिप्शन में डाल
known as
दूंगा, आप
member
डेफिनेटली देख सकते हैं।
functions.
तो एक
See,
स्ट्रक्चर
in
यहाँ पर है
real
जहाँ
world
पर मैं
object,
लिखा
the
हूँ बीच में
characteristics
एक
are
रियल वर्ल्ड
behaviors
ऑब्जेक्ट
are
जहाँ
there,
उसके पास एक
and in the
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स
software
होता है
objects, these
और उसका एक
characteristics are
पर्टिकुलर
known as
बिहेवियर
data
होता है।
members and
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक क्या
behaviors
रिप्रेजेंट
are
करता है
known
हमें?
as member
कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स रिप्रेजेंट
functions.
करता है कि उनमें क्या क्या
And a software object is a unique combination of data
पिछला
members
वीडियो जो हमने
and
अपलोड किया है
functions. Functions
उसमें
is
आपको देख
also
सकते
known
हैं
as
कि हमने
methods.
ऑब्जेक्ट के बारे में बात किया है
Say, a software object is a unique combination of data members and member functions. Member functions are also known as functions or methods. Here is a comparison of real world object and a software object. A real world object is book. The characteristics of books are chapters, pages, and topics. Its behaviors are used to read, used to prepare notes. And here is a software object, student. The data members, that's the characteristics of students, are name, subjects, marks. And the software, the data members are name, subjects, mark. We can prepare the mark list of a student. So, here data members are name, subjects, and marks. If we are preparing the student's biodata or resume, the data members are name, class, age, home address, etc. Okay? Then here mark list is preparing, so data members, name, subjects and marks. Its functions or that behavior is changed to functions. So the functions are accept and display. The functions are accept and display. See here that state or characteristics are changed to data members. That chapters, pages and topics are the characteristics of a book. That is changed to data members of the student in the software name, subject and marks. Same as the behavior of the books are used to read, used to prepare notes, etc. It is changed to functions in the software objects, that's accept data or display data. This is object and class. I think you have got a clear idea about object and class now. Next topic is message passing. It means objects can be interact with each other. An object can pass information to another object and receive information as well. Method of exchanging message between objects in object-oriented programming. It allows developing communication between objects. The object can be interact through behavior or functions, which are better known as message passing. Here three objects are there, object A, object B and object C. These three objects contains data members and functions. The data are also known as variables and functions are known as methods. The objects are communicated through the functions. The messages are passed through functions in an object-oriented programming language.
We'll discuss
Next
about
topic
class.
is class.
The concept
An object
of a
is a
class
unique
and an
entity
object
possessing
is
some
related to
characteristics
one
and
another.
behavior. The class
We
and
cannot
objects
talk
are
about
related
an
to
object
each other.
without
A
referring
class
to
is
its
a
class.
blueprint of an object.
An object
A
is a
class
real
is the
entity,
collection of objects.
whereas a
Here
class
car
is
is
a
a class.
representation
In
of
that
an
class,
object.
class car including two
In
objects,
simple
that
words, a
Mercedes
class
Benz
is
car
a
and Audi
template
car
or a
likewise.
model. based on which
Here each
objects
object
can be named.
containing the same characteristics
Let
and
us
behavior.
understand this
So
through
a
some
class is a
examples.
collection of objects which are having same characteristics and behavior. We can check another example. Say, consider a housing society that has hundreds of flats identical to each other. So, the housing
The
society is the
blueprint of
class
the
and the
flat
blueprint
with
of
the
a flat
architectural
with the
drawing can be termed
architectural
as the
drawing can be
class,
termed as
and the
the class
individual
and the
flats are the
individual flats are the
objects.
objects.
Based
Here
on
we know
that
that
class,
individual flats are the
the
objects
class
and then
itself
class is
has
the
no
housing
physical
society.
presence.
Here each flat having the
However,
same
the objects
characteristics
made
and
out of the class
behavior
are
are there.
real places where
In
people can live.
object-oriented programming language,
In
each
OOP, objects
objects
are
are
created
by
by defining
defining
a
a
class for
class.
them.
First, we can
Once
create
a class is
class.
defined, we
If a
can
class is
create
defined,
as
we can
many
create
objects
as
of
many
the class
objects of the
as
class as
required.
required.
Let
Another
us
example, it's a fruits class. Class is fruits. Examples for fruits are apple, orange, banana, grapes, etc. So these all the fruits are the object in the class fruits. So class is the collection of objects. Then we need to study how to create an object of a class. An object is also called an instance of a class. So the creating object of a class is said to be instantiation. All the instances share common characteristics and behavior in a class. For creating an object in a class, we are using the keyword new. New is the keyword for creating an object in a class. The syntax for creating an object in a class is class name object name is equal to new class name. For example, rectangle obj is equal to new rectangle. Here rectangle is the class and obj is the object name. Rectangle is the class name and obj is the object name. New is the keyword for creating an object in a class. Next topic is real world class and object. Here vehicle is a class. In that vehicle class, truck, sports car, sedan car, pickup truck, these all are the object in the class vehicle. Another example, a class car. It contains different types of cars, nano car, Honda, Maruti, etc. Same, here we can write like the program class car and in the curly bracket characteristics. Its characteristics are color, model and behavior, journey and demo. We can create different object of the class car like this. Say car Honda is equal to new car. Then bracket open close semicolon. It means Honda will be an object of the class car. Same like the other one also. The new operator is used to create an object in a class. Next, software class and object. Here the class employee, in this class employee contains the data members, name, department and salary. And member functions or methods accepting data and displaying data. The object of the class employee can be created by using these statements. Employee staff 1 is equal to new employee and employee staff 2 is equal to new employee like this. Next topic is terms related to class. First one is class as an object factory. A class is like a factory that creates object of that class. The term factory is used along with a class for creating similar kinds of objects. We can create an object in a class using the new keywords. We know in a factory we can make similar type of objects. Same as a class is making similar type of objects. So a class is known as object factory. Next one is class is a user defined data type. We know the data types are the type of data we are using. in a programming language. There are some predefined data type like int, float, char, etc. are there. The built-in data types are created by software developers. Similarly, a user may create a data type and declare certain characteristics and behavior within it. The entire set of data and code of an object can be made a user-defined data type with the help of a class. Once a class has been defined, we can create any number of objects belonging to that class. For example, fruit mango. Here fruit is the class here. We create an object mango belonging to the class fruit. So the class is referred to as user defined data type. User can create this data type. Next one is object is an instance of a class. We know each object is created from a class. And in a class, each object having same characteristics and behavior. See, here is an example of class fruit. The class fruits containing the objects orange and apple. These having same characteristics and behaviors are there. We already know that orange and apple are instances of fruits. The word meaning of instance is example. So we can call object is an instance of a class. Dear students, we finished this chapter. This chapter included the topics objects and class. We already studied these portions in chapter 1 in your notebook. Just check it that. Anyway, read and study this chapter well. No need to write the notes. Important topics from this chapter are already given in the first chapter. So no need to write the note from the second chapter. You can study it from the textbook itself. Read and study this chapter. Thank you.